Rust converter can be a useful product for treating and protecting iron gates, grills, construction materials, and metal bridges from rust, corrosion, and other environmental factors like moisture, humidity, dirt, and dry contacts. However, it should be part of a comprehensive rust prevention and maintenance strategy. Here's how rust converter can be beneficial for each of these applications. Iron gates and grills. Surface preparation. Prepare the surface by removing loose rust and contaminants. Rust converter application. Apply rust converter to the treated areas to convert the rust into a stable compound. Protective coatings. After using a rust converter, apply a suitable primer and paint to further protect the surface and enhance its appearance. Regular maintenance. Periodically inspect and touch up areas where the coating has worn away or new rust has formed. Construction iron building materials. Rust prevention during storage. Apply rust converter to iron materials during storage to prevent rust from forming before construction begins. Protective coatings. After construction, apply appropriate coatings to protect the exposed iron surfaces from moisture and environmental factors. Metal bridges. Surface preparation. For larger structures like bridges, thorough surface preparation is crucial. Remove loose rust and contaminants from the surface. Rust converter application. Apply rust converter to areas with existing rust, and follow up with protective coatings that provide long-term protection. Inspection and maintenance. Regular inspections and maintenance are critical for the long-term durability of metal bridges. Rust converters can be a cost-effective way to address rust and corrosion issues in the short term, but for long-lasting protection, especially in outdoor or industrial settings, consider using durable and corrosion-resistant coatings. Additionally, metal bridges often require specific engineering and maintenance protocols for long-term structural integrity. While rust converters are a valuable tool, the choice of products and the application process should be tailored to the specific needs and environmental conditions of each project. Consulting with professionals or corrosion experts can help ensure the best protection for iron structures and bridges.